Hey, what's up everybody? It's Yan Bally Flip here, and I'm here with another video about 3 Balisong clones that I recently received in the mailbox. I'm really excited about those. I've been waiting for those clones to arrive for like, I don't know, like a few weeks. And here they are. So this is the first one. This is the Jerry Hom clone. I think this one's called the Prodigy Trainer. And that's what it looks like. It flips all right, but this was the clone I was most anticipating. And it's my least favorite one out of the rest. But it's still cool. Like, I'll still flip it, but I feel like it's really light. And I mean, I can't complain about it. It's a clone, but it's just light. And I like it. It might grow on me a little bit, but yeah, so that's the one. Bam, bam, bam. Bam, 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 bam. Yeah, so that's the one. My plans. This is my favorite one. This is the Mako V3 clone from Bally Plus. This shit, okay, is awesome. I love this trainer so much. I wish that Squid Industries kept on their hidden pin system design. Damn it. But I guess they just didn't want to do it anymore. So yeah, this thing is awesome, and I love how simplistic it is too. You know, it's a fucking shark for a blade. Kidding me, dude? Kidding me? Yeah, I know. I'm aware that I'm doing bite handle chaplains. I don't care, okay? Oh shit. Well, now I realize that it's actually pretty light. But still, I mean, it's a clone, whatever. What you expect. All right, and the last one is the Jerry Hom Ghost Trainer clone, which is awesome. It's probably very similar to the original one, even though I've never got my hands on the original one. So yeah, that's how it looks like. It says Hom Design. I don't even know if that's legal because that's the actual brand of the Balisong, but that's how it flips. Flips good. It's really clacky though. Like, hear that? It's really kind of annoyingly clacky. But alright, that's it guys. See you guys later.